Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips on how to configure Motorola Moto G60 for a senior person. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside we can look for a simple mode, but sadly I think it's not available for this device. Nope, it isn't. So we need to adjust all of the settings manually. So again, open your settings. Here we want to scroll all the way down and look for accessibility. So don't scroll all the way down, it should be somewhere above right here. Then navigate to text and the display. Here we'll be able to adjust our font size and you can switch between small, default, large or larger. We're gonna go with the largest option available and go back. Then there's the display size, and here we can do the same thing, so switch the size between small, default, large or larger. In this case, again, we're gonna go with the largest option available. Then we can make our text bold. It will increase the thickness of a font. Then there's a color correction and color inversion. I'm not gonna touch those settings. If you need them, you can enable or adjust them. Then there's remove animations. If you activate it, it should reduce motion sickness while using your phone. Here we can also find high contrast text, large mouse pointer, but I'm gonna leave that as well. If you activate high contrast text, it will add a black outline to all of the text. That means when you go back to the home screen, for example, text is white, which now adds this black outline and it's much more visible. We can go back and then navigate to the magnification, activate magnification. That way you should get the accessibility shortcut on the side of your screen with the loop. When you click on it, you will enter magnification mode. You can click anywhere else on your screen to zoom in and click on the loop icon again to zoom out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.